Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to update email address on OnlyFans. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OnlyFans and we get into it. Click on this first link. You can use the application as well. Now, after getting into it, we'll be able to see a profile icon in the bottom right over here. Simply tap on that and click on settings. Now we need to click on account and here we can see I have already added my email address. To change it or update it, simply click on it. Now click on update email address. Now here it says that we need to contact support, so click on next. Now we need to enter the code we got in our email address and click on next, after which we can finally update the email address. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.